to disable open to work on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open LinkedIn on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on Me at the top right and click on View Profile. After you click on View Profile, you'll find your profile in here. Scroll down and click on the pencil icon with Open to Work. After you've clicked on the pencil icon, scroll down in here and click on Delete. After you've done Delete, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Delete again. Now simply close the tab. After you've closed the tab, you're good to go. This is how to disable Open to Work on LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.